mission to save humanity from the control of the machines. Before he can begin his mission, he needs a special document called the Project Charter. This document serves as the key to officially start his mission and provides guidance and purpose throughout his journey. In the Matrix, the Project Charter is like the red pill that Neo takes to awaken from the simulated reality. It formally authorizes his existence as the One, and marks the beginning of his quest to bring freedom to humanity. Just as the red pill gives Neo a direction to follow, the Project Charter gives a direction and purpose to the mission from start to end. The key elements of the Project Charter in the Matrix are as follows. Project Title. The project title is prominently displayed at the top of the document, just like Neo's title as the One. Project Background. This section explains why the mission is necessary and how it will benefit humanity. It unveils the truth about the machine's control and the need to free minds from the illusion of the Matrix. Project Scope. The scope defines the boundaries of Neo's mission, specifying what he must accomplish and what is not within his purview. It clarifies that his objective is to defeat the machines and liberate humanity. Project Objectives. The objectives are like the Oracle's prophecies. They must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Neo's objectives include mastering his skills, understanding the Matrix, and ultimately defeating the machines. Project Timeline. The timeline represents the key milestones and events that Neo will encounter during his mission. It includes the start of his training, the battles he must face, and the final showdown with the machines. Project Budget. The budget outlines the resources needed for the mission. For Neo, it could be the knowledge, guidance, and support from the Resistance crew and the Oracle's guidance. Project Stakeholders. The stakeholders in Neo's Project Charter are the crew of the Nebuchadnezzar and the freed humans. They support him in his mission to save humanity. Risks and assumptions. Just like in any project, there are risks and assumptions. In the Matrix, the risks can include encounters with powerful agents or unforeseen challenges, while assumptions could be about the support of the Oracle and Morpheus guidance. Project Management Approach. The approach outlines the methods and processes that Neo will use to manage his mission. It involves his training, strategizing with the crew, and adapting to different scenarios. Project Deliverables. The deliverables are the outcomes of the mission. For Neo, they include saving humans from the Matrix and ultimately defeating the machines. In the Matrix, the Project Charter is not just a piece of paper, it is the roadmap for Neo's journey. It empowers him with the authority to utilize the resources and support of the Resistance to accomplish his noble objective. Without the Project Charter, Neo's mission would lack direction and could lead to failure. Hence, it is an essential document that sets the foundation for the success of his epic quest to free humanity from the illusion of the Matrix. Creating a Project Charter in the Matrix is akin to planning a strategic mission to defeat the machines and free humanity from the illusion of the Matrix. Here are the steps to create a Project Charter, illustrated with analogies from the Matrix. Identify the project's purpose and goals. This step is like Neo realizing his purpose as the One, and understanding that he needs to free humanity from the machines. Just as Neo defines his mission, the Project Charter must clearly define the project's goals and how they align with the organization's overall strategy. Identify stakeholders. In the Matrix, stakeholders are like the crew of the Nebuchadnezzar and the freed humans. Neo engages with them to understand their expectations, goals, and requirements, just as project managers engage with stakeholders to gather their input and support for the project. Develop a project scope statement. Neo needs to define the boundaries of his mission and what he must accomplish. Similarly, the project scope statement outlines the boundaries and deliverables of the project, making it clear what is included and excluded from the project. Identify project risks. Just as Neo faces risks and potential dangers during his mission, project managers must identify potential risks that may impact the project. They develop a risk management plan to mitigate these risks, similar to how Neo prepares contingency plans to handle unforeseen challenges. Develop a project timeline. The project timeline is like the roadmap of Neo's mission, including key milestones and deadlines. It ensures that the project progresses efficiently and stays on track, just as Neo follows a timeline of training and battles to reach his final confrontation with the machines. Develop a project budget. In the Matrix, the budget represents the resources and support Neo needs to accomplish his mission. Similarly, project managers estimate the project's cost, ensuring they have the necessary resources and materials to achieve project goals. Develop a communication plan. Communication is essential in the Matrix, where Neo and the crew need to be in constant contact to strategize and adapt. Similarly, a communication plan in project management defines how stakeholders will be informed about project progress and how feedback will be received. Document the project charter. The ultimate step is to document all the above details in a written project charter. In the Matrix, this would be like creating a blueprint for Neo's mission, capturing the purpose, goals, scope, risks, timeline, budget, and communication plan. Just as Neo shares his mission plan with the crew, project managers share the project charter with stakeholders to ensure agreement and understanding. By following these steps and drawing inspiration from the Matrix's epic mission, project managers can create a powerful project charter that sets the foundation for a successful project journey.